Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. NFP Friday. Freaky Friday. NFP Friday. All of that Friday. Let's get the likes up as you guys come in, please, if that's all right with you guys. Let's get the likes up. Did any of y'all see what gold and US30 did say? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do these pairs not look eerily identical today? Did y'all see what gold did? I sure hope some of you caught this move here, or some of it at least. I really do, because that was epic. Them moves were epic. So, listen. Dutch King Trader this morning kicks off the live with the first ridiculous question. Dutch King Trader. I guess you're not reading the title of this live. It says Forex live trade session. And your question is, good morning, do you live trade? Well, I don't know how to answer that question. Okay, those of you that are saying my voice is down, y'all are tripping, because I just listened to myself talk and I hear myself loud and clear. So if you can't hear my voice, sorry, I don't know what to tell you, but I just heard myself on my channel, and I sound loud as hell. So I don't know what y'all talking about. Those of you that can't hear, I don't know, but I hear myself just fine. Does anybody else hear me? Does anybody else hear me speaking at the moment? Would the real Slim Shady please stand up? That damn dog. It's not that one, it's another one. Everybody in this condo has a dog except me. Everybody has a damn dog. It's crazy. Okay, y'all hear me. I sound fine. Okay, so I don't know why half of you can hear me and half of you can't hear me. Ooh, here come the good morning text messages. Good morning, thank you. So guys, I'm in a good mood today. I woke up in a good mood. I went to bed in a good mood. I had a good sleep. Plan on having a good day. Got some things to do later. So guess what? We are gonna trade NFP today. We're gonna trade it, but big but. We're gonna trade it. However, we're gonna go small. We're not gonna go at our normal lot sizes. We're going to go small because, you know, my rule is I don't really trade news. So I just want to take it easy, just in case. Okay? Y'all cool with that? Y'all cool with that? All right. Cool. Everything copacetic. Cool. So real quick, I don't need to look at Forex Factory. We already know we got NFP dropping at 8:30. So we got T-minus 24 minutes to get the ball rolling here. Are you trading gold for NFP? No. Nope. We're trading handy dandy US30. I have not traded my side chick in a while. Lately, it's been moving real nice lately. I ain't gonna lie. It's been moving real nice. But I'm not that tempted. So, I've been getting getting my cheeks clapped left and right, literally with no KY jelly, by US30 for the last, I don't know, week and a half. That's quite a while to go. And yeah, it sucks. But we remain positive, we remain cool and calm and level-headed, and we will weather this storm. I shall weather this storm. This too shall pass. Okay? Okay, cool. So, huge fan from Afghanistan. Love it. Huge fan from Afghanistan again. Afghanistan. Thank you for joining us today. So, I like what US30 did, but I don't like what US30 did. I'd like it, but I don't. And I don't like it because even though it gave me my bounce that I always look for before it takes off, it gave too much. It played around too much down here before it finally said, let's go. So I don't know what that was about. I don't appreciate it when US30 does that. I wish it would just behave properly, be on its best behavior every day, all day, any day. And it did not do that. It played around here for several hours before we actually pushed. We got that initial push out, pull back, and then it took off. So this was the initial move here that was indicative of the move about to, to take off. And I caught a little bit of it. I ain't gonna lie, I caught a little bit of it. I did break some rules yesterday, guys, because guess what? Your girl took an entry right around here yesterday, which you guys know my entries are only here. But I was like, this thing is going and it's going, and I think it's gonna go. Let me jump in. I got in and got out right around there. So had fun yesterday. Had a little bit of fun with it yesterday. I didn't even look at it last night because I knew it wasn't gonna really do anything because we had NFP this morning. So that's that. All right. So let's get into our handy dandy analysis here. So US30 is still very much inside this range here. All right, we made some new highs. We're tapping into these highs. No TP for the buy continuations. Plenty of data on the sell side, but not too much in the way of the buy side. So if I look here on the daily time frame, yesterday's daily candle closed pretty much just about the same size of the previous candle. So we had, really good momentum, really good volume to push the market, where it wanted to go. Today's daily candle is pumping up here. We literally retested not yesterday but Wednesday's highest high price at what is this, 38567. So if we don't break that high and continue up from here, then there's a high possibility that we retrace, break the low, and then we come down to retrace, and we're probably going to be, stuck inside this range for a little bit, because whenever US30 makes a new level of structure, a lot of times it respects that structure for a while before it actually moves. Now, the thing about that is it didn't do that here. It did not do that here because we broke these highs. We made new highs here. We barely retested we only retested these highs. We didn't really come back, 50% of this push. And it continued up, and now, it's up and it's stuck right now. So we pretty much have to wait to see, are we going to reject that high, or are we going to come back and retest these lows? Okay, so if I go to the 4 hour here, we'll see. So for the last, so you can't really count the last 4 hour candles because there's no volume, Asian, London session, blah, blah, blah. Nothing, okay? But we are pumping up, pretty strong inside here. We did push out of our zone, but it's pushing back up inside. If NFP should break these highs, I think we're going to continue up. The problem is, like I said, there's no TP for the buy. For the sell, I would like to see US30 break the previous 4 hour candles low, not its own low, but the previous. The reason being is because this was the first push out of our zone, left a little tiny itty bitty rat tail wick. And then the next candle pushed up, left barely any wick, and completely went bullish. So if we are able to reject this resistance area that is, lingering here, and this candle is not only able to break its own low, but the previous low and the previous 4 hour support here, there's a high possibility that we come tumbling on down, and that's that. Okay. Another thing is, guys, for the last few NFPs, the market really hasn't, like, NFP used to be top dog. It used to be, you know, the HNIC, is it called yeah, HNIC in charge. But within the last, I would say 6 to 8 months, CPI has taken that title. CPI has taken the crown. CPI is top dog now, and yeah, so NFP lately has not been anything to sneeze at. At the very least, it hasn't. Okay, so I am not too crazy about NFP doing anything wild, and that's what's giving me the confidence to actually trade it today, is the fact that it hasn't done anything lately. You know what I'm saying? What have you done for me lately? Nothing. Get your act together, NFP, because we are not even taking you seriously anymore. I have lost all respect for NFP, guys. NFP is not the party next door that it used to be. It's not. NFP done got old. NFP is senile, and nobody pays attention to NFP anymore. Right now, it's about CPI. CPI is top dog, so that's what we're concerned about. But for right now, being that we have NFP today, I'm not seeing much in the way of that. Real quick, let me see something here. So if we come here, the forecast for NFP is 187K. Previous was 216, which is a decent little jump, little itty bitty jump. Okay, so I would love to see what the actual numbers are when they come out. Okay, so that's what I'm keeping my eye on right now. Okay, so as far as gold goes, gold just sexy. It's just sexy. Gold is giving us the business, and I'm loving it. I'm here for it. Energy on gold. Okay, I'm feeling it. I like what I'm seeing. I wish gold was up here, similar to where US30 was up here, you know, dangling, dancing, tiptoeing, teasing these highs. But right now it's kind of chilling right here in the middle. So with NFP in 10 minutes, would like to see, you know, maybe a push up, rejection, and then a push back down. Let's go to the higher time frames here. Let's go. Okay, so let me take this off. Boom, boom. So this was ugly, right? Even though it respected the support here, price was like moving ugly, kept rejecting, kept trying to test this support line here, and then finally pushed. But the last time we were at these highs, guys, we rejected. Okay, so we keep on rejecting these highs. Right now, this could very easily come tumbling down, and price could still be bearish. Okay, so I would love to see sells. And I'd like to see sells breaking this 4-hour support. That's what I want to see. For the buys above this zone here, for price to push, because we have to break the previous highs. We've rejected it 3 separate times on the 4-hour time frame. Let me see the daily. Yeah, and even on the daily time frame. So look at this nice, sexy ass triple top that's setting up right now. Boom, boom. Let me get one more tap, and bye-bye. We break this support, retest the neckline, and we're off and running. So I like for a triple top to be set up here. That's what I'm feeling right now. Now, you can count this as a triple top with this 1, 2, 3 here. Could be, because they always say one of the shoulders is always a little bit lower. Once price drops, it needs to break, you know, retest the neckline and then continue down. You can look at it from that point of view as well. But I don't know. I like a more defined triple top when I'm looking at those type of candlestick patterns. You know what I mean? So even though right now we're still very bullish, we need to break this resistance. If we don't break this resistance, guys, we are coming down. Now, could I see gold pushing up, leaving a long wick, and then rejecting and coming back down? Absolutely. That's more than a possibility. So I wouldn't rush into it. But if I had to take a trade, someone put a gun to my head and said, hey, take this trade right now, it would be a buy. It would be a buy. Okay, because with gold, you have a better chance of winning your trade if you go with the trend as opposed to you going against the trend. Okay, that is the one constant with gold when I used to trade gold. A lot of the time, until I saw my setup for the trend playing out, that's when I would look for my trade. So if I don't see that, I got a decision to make. You know what I'm saying? So right now, if we continue to hold this area of support that has formed on top of this resistance area here, you gotta look for the buys, guys. You just have to. Let's bust through this high. Let's go ahead and tap these next high, and then, you know, we're off living happily ever after. Okay. But until we break this support here, which is 2051, don't see much happening in the way of sells. Okay, gotta look for the buys. Right now, the buys are very strong, very heavy. I know it's tempting to look for sells because you want to get that pullback. We do have a leg here that's formed, but this is a higher high, but it's not that much far away from this high here. Whose fucking dog is that? This high is not that far from this previous high here. So, God, I can't wait to get this house so I never have to hear a dog barking again. Jesus Christ. All right, guys, so let's go down to the lower time frames here. Let's take a look. Look at this nice range that gold is in, y'all. Look at that. Let's move this down. Let's clean this up a little bit. This chart is looking kind of full right now. Boom. Okay. True Forex funds has been down for 2 weeks. What? Y'all serious? Another prop firm going down? What? They've been down for 2 weeks. They ain't coming back. 2 weeks? That's just... Let me see. True Forex funds. Down. Yo. Oh my goodness, guys. Is this not the same? Does this not look like the same message that my Forex funds came out with when them boys got shut down? Oh. God damn. How come I can't lift up my damn type pad? Okay. Medical shut them down. Oh my God. I cannot. Yo, guys, they do not want us to win. They don't want us to win, guys. Telling y'all, they don't want us to win. This is horrible. Dear traders, due to a nonsense reason. Ooh. They didn't even hit us with the politically correct response. They went straight. They want all the smoke. They came out with the ghetto response. Due to a nonsense reason. Yo, that's the way I would say it. Honestly, like, I'm not the proper. Yeah, guys, unfortunately, we're having technical difficulties. No, they're coming out with the straight up bullshit response. Wow. Due to a nonsense reason, MetaQuotes has terminated our licenses. Ooh. And therefore, we have to freeze our services temporarily in big, bold, capital letters. Our team is working hard on a plan to continue providing our services. The incomprehensible reason for the termination is using a third-party provider for equity synchronization. How do you pronounce that word? Whatever, you guys see the word. Purposes, who has allegedly not connected to the MetaTrader's client terminal in a way that is fully acceptable by MetaQuotes. True Forex Funds has used the mentioned third-party service since 2021 without any complaints from MetaQuotes. MetaQuotes did not give any prior warning, nor did they provide any chance to replace the unwanted provider, despite it being evident that in no industry is it possible to investigate your partner, provider, or any supplier source code to prove their legitimacy. Let me read that again. Did not give prior warning, did not provide any chance to replace the unwanted provider. Okay, they didn't give them a chance to go find another provider because they didn't like the one they were using. Despite it being evident that in no industry is it possible to investigate your partner, provider, or any supplier's source code to prove their legitimacy. So the provider they were using Medical was like, yo, we want to see if this is probably a real liquidity provider. And yeah, if it's not legitimate, then you're trading demo. It's not real liquidity, which we already know that. Am I getting this right, guys? That's what it's sounding like to me. Correct me if I'm wrong in the chat. Chat, correct me if I'm wrong. Wow. We would like to assure all of you that despite all the turbulence, we will never back down. And you will be able to continue your journey where it had to be stopped. Our team continuously tries to convince medicals to keep our licenses. Continuously tries to convince medical to keep our licenses. That means they had some inkling that something was going to happen because they were trying to stop them from pulling their license. In case of lack of success, we will try to migrate your trading accounts to a broker. We would like to apologize for this disaster, a force majeure event that has occurred due to reasons beyond our control. Reasons beyond our control. They love saying that. Please note that the remaining payouts will be settled once the platform is unfrozen. Which means if it's not unfrozen, nobody's getting payouts. And this is damage control that they're doing right now. This is damage control, guys. If the worst case scenario occurs and we have to migrate to another brokerage server, we will face an issue with the offered symbols discrepancies. Meaning you won't be able to trade all the pairs that you probably want to trade. Making open positions migration challenging. Please close your positions before market closure. Otherwise, they will be automatically closed. Because they're losing access to the server. So yeah, they're going to be automatically closed. Once again, keep in mind that as soon as the workaround is implemented, you will be able to continue your trading journey with True Forex Funds. Your support means a lot to us. We will keep you updated. Richard Nagy. Richard, you're going to have to turn in them Bugattis, my boy. Because what it's looking like is that y'all got booted. You guys got booted. So FTMO, gone. My Forex Funds, gone. True Forex Funds, gone. Who's next? This is nuts, man. This is nuts. And I know a lot of traders that were using this platform. A lot of traders, guys. Guys, I'm so sorry you guys are going through this. This is horrible. This is horrible. You can't trust these prop companies. And like, we could barely trust them before. And now it's like, oh my God. Like, you can't even wake up in the morning and trust that your trading account is safe. It's fine. Because it is garbage. It is nonsense. This is nuts. This is nuts right now. This is crazy. People work hard to get these accounts, to get funded, to work hard to trade and get their payouts. And this is, oh my God, man. Listen, this is garbage. Straight garbage. Guys, go live. I've been saying that since my Forex funds got shut down. Before when my Forex funds got shut down, I was saying it. When FTMO stopped taking US clients, same thing. True Forex Funds, like, guys, go live. Find a way to go live. You don't need a lot of money to make good money. Stop thinking you are some magically great trader if you have 100,000 funded account, which you don't have 100,000. You only have 10, because if you blow 10, they take the account from you. Guys, this is horrible. This is a disgrace. This is disgusting for what's happening with us right now. This is horrible. Listen, shit like this keeps going on. I'm telling you, everybody is going to migrate over to what? Options. They're going to migrate over to futures. They're going to migrate over to stocks. People are not going to be fucking with Forex anymore. Straight up. They are going to kill the Forex industry. Or if not, they're going to permanently disable it. And by disable, I mean as many people that were in the market, they're not gonna listen, man. The state side, the US side of brokers, they're gonna make a ton more money. Because what are people gonna do? People are gonna start coming over to US brokers and using them. And okay, yeah, we don't like your rules, we don't like this, we don't like that, but we gotta deal with it because it's all we have right now. We can't trust these, we can't trust prop companies. We have to. This is garbage. This is garbage, guys. And there's gonna be more information. This is just the start. You know, when my Forex funds got kicked, they came out with their little, you know, their little newsletter, letting everybody know what happened. And then slowly but surely, shit started leaking. Documents started leaking. Stuff started leaking, letting y'all know what's really going on behind the scenes. is not what's really going on. And what gets me about our industry, guys, when these brokers and these prop companies are doing shady shit behind the scenes, you know what I don't understand? Most people can't trade any freaking way. Most people, you don't even need to manipulate people. You know why? Because most people can't trade. They're gonna lose their money without you even trying to make them lose their money. Y'all got bad risk management. Y'all are greedy. Y'all hold moves. Y'all doing all types of shit y'all should not be doing while trading. They don't even need to manipulate people the way they do, and they do it anyway. Greed is huge in this country, guys. Greed is different. It's a different beast. Cause that's straight up greed. It really is. If I don't need to steal from you, but cause you're gonna give me what I want anyway, but I'm still willing to manipulate you into you giving me something that you were already gonna give me anyway, that's wild to me. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. And I got people in my DMs, yeah, Charlene, you should open a prop company. Hell no. I want zero. I don't want to be a part of any of this garbage that's going on. Hell no. I don't care how much money is involved, how much money I can make. That's good. I'm good where I'm at. I'm good where I'm at. I can make money somewhere else. I don't need the extra stress. What people don't realize, when you make more money in something, comes more stress. Comes more stress. If you have a company and you sell shoelaces, and you want to make money selling shoelaces, and you want to get them orders, you want to get orders, and you want to see your website crashing from orders, that's great. But now, yeah, you made that money selling them. Guess what? Now you got to pack them, you got to ship them, you got to deal with returns, you got to process the money, you got to deal with reviews, your supplier is late, the colors are not there, you got the wrong size. You got all types of newfound stresses that come with that great money you're making now. That's what some people don't realize. This is straight up garbage. Straight garbage. My heart goes out to you guys that woke up affected this morning. I know this is going to affect you guys' psychology. So if you guys have live accounts or you have other prop accounts that you're using, guys, don't let your emotions get to you today. It's Friday, it's the end of the week. Let it ride out. Use the weekend to kind of decompress and get your mind right, and come on back next week and let's get back to the money. In the meantime, guys, listen, keep your heads up. Same thing I told you guys when my Forex funds got shut down. Keep your heads up. Do not let this stuff get you down. Don't let it break you. Don't let it make you feel like, oh my God, my life is over. You're going to be fine. There's other avenues you guys could do. Listen, I've been watching the futures markets lately. We're going to be trading futures pretty soon. We're going to be Gucci over here. We're going to be good over here. All right, guys? So listen, like I said, man, from the bottom of my heart, I'm sorry. Guys, all of you that had accounts with True Forex funds, I am so sorry about that. And these are the bigger companies too. They're not even going after the little mom and pop shops. They're literally going after the big boys. That's crazy. That is crazy. So guys, man, this sucks. Ooh, stress. Maze on me. I can't. Ooh, I forgot about that. All right, guys, T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, nothing. Let's see. Ooh, look at that dump. Look at her go. Let's see, what did gold do? Ooh, oh, yee, look at gold. Broke the low and gone. Look at that. Look at NFP trying to show out today. Look at NFP trying to show out. Let's look at gold, because gold is dumping right now. Ooh, yes. Come on down and tap 2031 real quick. Tap 31 real quick for a quick, how many points here? 193 points. Come on down, because you are the next contestant on The Price is Right. Love it. We broke the low. We should continue on down here. Love it. Because see, guys, back in the day, your NFP used to be like this. Whoop. That was NFP, y'all. NFP was doing this garbage. It would whoop, bow. If you had a stop here, a sell stop and a buy stop, NFP would go activate, whoosh. Before you could even close the positions, the market was clapping you in both directions. Literally both directions. Both direction. So yeah. This is nuts, guys. This is nuts. I'm not in this trade because I was talking about the prop shit, so I didn't place anything or whatever. So yeah, I'll look for a setup after it's done. If we get a pullback on US30 here, guys, a pullback wick, I'll be taking entries for a sell and ride this baby on down. So that's what I'm looking for right now. This is nuts, guys. This is crazy. Crazy. Some of y'all couldn't even trade this today. Well, most props don't allow news anyway, but that's wild. That's wild. Oh boy, crazy, guys. I'm sorry. Y'all want to trade live? You guys want to trade with me live? Come over to my broker. Broker link is in the description box, guys. You don't need a lot of money to make good money. You could fund an account, guys, with $200. I wouldn't say 100. 100 is kind of low. $200. You use micro lots, guys. With a $200 account, you should be able to make roughly $20, $30, $40, $50 if you're lucky every day. And over time, your account will grow. Your account will grow over time, and then you could take higher trades if you like. You can. You don't have to have a 10K account, a 5K account, a 50K account, a 100K account. Those of you, right? Those of you that feel like, oh, I gotta have a big account to make money, you think about that for two reasons. Number one, you think having a larger account is going to make you suddenly a better trader. You think you're gonna be winning more if you have a bigger account. And that's so far from the truth. It's so far from the truth, okay? It doesn't. Secondly, you think you need to make big money in order for it to really mean something. That's what you think. You think you need a large account to make anything significant, forgetting that $100, $150, $200, $250 a day is great money. You guys are forgetting that. You guys are getting blinded by, oh, Charlene had an 8K day. I need to have an 8K day. No, you don't. You know why? Because Charlene doesn't have 8K days every day. She doesn't. I wish I did, but I don't. So you have to remember that. Why did you come into this in the first place? Did you come into this to hit the lottery overnight? Because that's not going to happen. Did you come into this to change your life somehow? Yes. Is it hard to get a win? Yes. Do you need a win every day, overnight? No. You guys forgot why you started this in the first place. You forgot. And you don't need that. You don't need big days, guys. Those of you that see traders that are making big days, they're not hitting those numbers every day. That's number one. Number two, they're not showing you the losses that come with them big. The big wins come with big losses, guys. Okay? Open your eyes. Big wins have big losses. And we are not running to Instagram to post those fat ass losses. Nobody's doing that. We're not rushing to do that. When we have big wins, yeah, it's nice. Yeah, let's show this. Let's oh my God, yeah, now look at me in my Lamborghini and look at this. Da, da, da. And when they have a loss, they're talking about anything but the loss. Because losses happen. Losses happen. If you follow a trader and they never, ever in their life have shown a loss, crazy, don't think that they're not taking them. They're just not showing them. They're just not showing them, guys. And there's some people that are very much content with making $200, $300, $400 a day, and they've been making that since day one. They haven't even tried to raise their lots. They haven't tried to go bigger. Nothing. They're more than happy with that kind of money, because that's great money, guys. It is. $200, $300 a day. You can live okay off that. You ain't getting rich. You ain't buying no Lambo with that, but it's okay. You can survive off of that. You're just trying to win, guys. This is insane. This is crazy. People, and what sucks is they shut down. They have money, guys. These prop companies have money in accounts and reserves and all that shit. So if you find that you're shut down and people cannot use your platform, they can't trade, they can't request a payout, but you see the accounts, you know who has what. Give these people their money. Pay them out. Somebody has a payout pending that they were waiting for. People are depending on that money. It's freaking tax season right now. People are running to their tax guy to go get their tax, they get their tax return. Because people need their money, especially now. Everything is going up. Everything is going up. I got an email yesterday from Netflix. I'm about to chop Netflix. They getting on my nerves because every email I get from them is some bullshit. 1 minute, okay, we're raising your monthly, then we're doing this, oh, you can't add this. Now that I get an email where we're going to be taxing different, we're going to be this. I'm sick of it. I am so sick of it. Everything is going up. They are squeezing the life out of the middle class, guys. So diversify your money. Get into other businesses, guys. Straight up. Trading is showing us that the security that we used to have here is no longer the same. It's showing us that it's no longer the same. What are we talking about? Some people just jumped on. We're talking about this. Go to trueforexfunds.com, and if you have a True Forex Funds account, you might want to go check it, because it might not, that shit might be gone right now. We're talking about this. True Forex Funds getting temporarily, it ain't temporarily, guys. Don't fall for the okie doke. It's very much shut the fuck down. This shit ain't coming back. It ain't coming back, because the My Forex Fund said the same thing, right? Temporarily, they said, oh, same shit. Where they at now? We ain't heard nothing yet. We still waiting. People are still waiting on those payouts from My Forex Funds. They ain't coming. They ain't coming, guys. Listen. Well, these companies are all in the exact same industry. The apple does not fall far from the tree. A lot of these prop companies use the exact same operations company. If you notice, a lot of their infrastructure, a lot of their terminals and stuff are all the same. It's all the same. So if one gets shut down, it's only a matter of time. All the other ones are biting their nails, looking around, nervous, sweating. They don't know what to say. They don't know what to do right now. This is garbage, man. This is horrible. You guys pay your money for these challenges. You bust your ass on the charts. You're going through all this stress only to wake up one day and have somebody tell you you can't trade today. I had a mentor that used to delete losses and just post wins. When I realized what he was doing, I stopped following him. It is what it is. This is garbage. Because guys, I used to be where you guys are. I was struggling at one point. If I, like I said, if I did not have my police job and I wasn't making as much as I was making working overtime, I might not have lasted with trading, because trading is so expensive. It's so expensive. So if you are risking your hard-earned money to be in this and to do this, like, respect my money, respect me. The reason why these prop company owners are so rich is because of us. So if you don't take care of us, you don't get paid either. They need you guys for them to make money. They need traders to buy challenges and to trade for them to make money. So if you keep fucking us over, guess what? We're going to go elsewhere. And then it's going to affect your bottom dollar. Now, guess what? Now you got to go find another way to make money. This is nuts. I'm legitimately upset. Because if that was me, if I had my account with them and this and that, I would be uber livid right now. Livid right now. This is crazy. This is nuts. Nah. This is nuts. They gotta stop this. They gotta stop this shit. I'm so sorry they gotta stop this shit. They gotta stop. Alright, gold smack TP. Perfect. Beautiful. Came right on down to support. Who caught these NFP gold cells? Those of you that still have access to your trading accounts. Who caught these sells? This is crazy. Oh my God. And then look at that. Let's say you were to take this trade today. You would have taken this trade today. You couldn't even take it because why? These motherfuckers took your account. I'm telling y'all guys, I'm telling you, I get it. Life is tough. You need your money for bills and this and that. But if you have money to buy a prop account, you have money to open a live account. I don't want to hear no excuses. Cut the shit. The reason why you guys are with these prop companies is because you think if I have a lot of money, demo money, suddenly I'm a great trader. But for some reason, all y'all still suck at passing these challenges. Y'all still trash at passing these challenges, but you keep doing it. You fail it, you buy another one. You fail, you buy another one. That money adds up. Take that freaking money, put it in a live account, and run that shit up. And guess what? You don't have to wait 2 weeks for a payout. You don't have to wait a month for a payout. You don't have to, none of that shit. You can take your money out right there. You don't want to go with Forex brokers? Not a problem. Take your ass on over to futures. Take your ass on over to options. I heard they let you take your shit out same day. They ain't got spreads over there. Certain shit that we got to deal with over here on the Forex side, we don't got to deal with that over there on options or with futures or with stocks. Pick your poison and stick with it. Know that, listen, going forward, my Forex fund should have taught y'all. Going forward, if you are going to invest in a prop company, know that there's an off chance that your shit's going to get taken one day. Know that there's an off chance it's gonna get took. Y'all should have known that, because some people, what y'all did? Oh, my Forex funds got shut down. Okay, I'll just go over to this prop company. What's the difference? How do you know, right? Because in the broker world, guys, some brokers own other brokers. You guys just don't know that. The different names, different brands, but they're all owned under the same umbrella. So if one gets shut down, guess what? All the other ones get shut down too, because they're all owned by the same conglomerate. So how do y'all know that my Forex fund said, you know what? They shut down my Forex funds, but you know what? We're gonna open up this other prop company over here. We're gonna give it another name. We're doing so great. Why not open another one? If I owned a McDonald's and my McDonald's was booming and busting, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna open another one and another one and another one. That's what you do when you have a successful business. You monopolize that business and then you grow it and grow it as big as you can. And you got multiple locations, you have multiple employees, and you got money coming in left and right. You don't have just one brick and mortar, one McDonald's bringing you one source of income. No, you open another one and another one and another one, and you let all of those McDonald's bring you money one by one. So guess what? If this McDonald's has a bad day and we don't sell enough Big Macs, guess what? This McDonald's over here had a good day, so I'm still making a bag. So if I have a prop company, guess what? And it's successful, I'm gonna go ahead and open another one, and I'm gonna open another one, and I'm gonna open another one. And I wish y'all would tell me different. So guess what? If this company gets shut down, it's only a matter of time before that one gets shut down too. Because if I'm opening another one, we're running under the same operation. We're doing the same shit. I'm not gonna reinvent the wheel. I know what works. All right, we're pulling back nicely here. Who's calling me? It's too early. Okay. I know what works, guys. This is nuts. Crazy, 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 crazy. Shit is crazy. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. This shit is wild to me. Unbelievable. Got something. Crazy, 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 guys. This is wild. Rocket 21, top though, no cap. Okay. See what I'm saying? Y'all just don't know. You guys just have no idea. No freaking idea. No idea. Y'all just leave one prop and jump right onto the next one and think that that one is suddenly, oh my God, this is the best one. Listen, I have no issue with people taking money from dumb people. I'm sorry, I don't. I have zero issue with it. If I have someone that's voluntarily handing me money just because of their ignorance and what's really going on, I'll gladly take it. Yep. Let me get that. Let me get that real quick. I'll take it. I will take it. Let me get that. Let me get that. Cause no. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Oh, I went and got this for no reason. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Straight garbage, guys. Straight up garbage. I cannot. Let's go here. I'm up 5K today. 5K on this trade. I could close right now and request a withdrawal from my broker and have my money in my account later today. Right now. Right this second, I could do that. I don't have to worry about drawdown limits. I don't have to wait 2 weeks for a payout. I don't have to worry about shit. This is nuts to me. This is nuts to me. Oops, wrong one. Oh, stress in my life. I can't. Go live, guys. Go live. Go live. Go live. Take yourselves over to a live account and stop trusting these trash ass prop companies. You don't need a large account to make good money. You don't. You can take a $400 account, $300 account and run that thing up. You absolutely can. You don't need a big ass account to make decent money. Please, for the love of Christ, guys, stop wasting your time. Stop getting screwed over. Stop getting your cheeks clapped every single day. Enough already. Enough. Let's go. Who took these cells with me? Y'all can't say I didn't tell y'all when I took it. I took it right in front of y'all. I took it right in front of y'all. So y'all can't say, Charlene, you didn't tell us when you were taking the cell. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Let's go. Wait. Where's this at? Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Let's go. Today's a great day in the neighborhood. Great day in the neighborhood. Yes, sir. Charlene, when are you hopping on that boat? What boat? Can we get the likes up, guys? We have 1K, 1.8K watching. Can we get the likes up? If that's all right with you guys, would appreciate it. Thank you very much. Affirmation. I am a US30 cheek clapper. I like that. Energy, 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 energy. I like that. Yes, yes. I'm coining that phrase. Cheek clapping. It's cheek clapping day. Cheek clapping time. I'm coining that phrase. Are you using MT4 desktop or web trader? This is MT4. This is MT4, guys. This is MT4. My broker is pinned to the chat and it's in the description box. I don't want to talk about all that. I just want to know who made money today. Who made money today? Who is in these US30 cells with me right now? Who made money today? That's what I'm trying to find out. Who clapped gold today with this drop, or who's clapping US30 right now with this sell? That's what I want to know right now. It's going to be a short live. It's going to be short. I know I say that every day. Cool, cool, cool. But it will be short. Ooh. And that's all, folks. That's all, folks. That's all. Let's go. Yes, let me see some W's. Let me see some fire. Let me see some happy faces in the chat. Let me see what y'all got going on today. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Yes, yes, yes. Selling YM right now. Yes, Brad Stallsbury. Yes, I will be joining you over there real soon. Real soon. Someone asked me, Charlene, are you going to stop trading Forex when you go over to futures? No, I'm going to trade both. Until Forex gives me a reason to say deuces, I will be trading both. Thank you very much. I take profit here. Let me see how much further down this goes. Let's go. WWW. Yes, 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 yes. Not me. I don't trade US30. Great discipline. Great discipline. Let's go. I'm up $55 on US30. Small but profitable. It's okay. It's okay. You're still making money. You're still making money. What account type do you recommend on Ventura? I have Pro. So you have to read between the different ones to see which one you care for. Ask support what the differences are if you don't understand them. But I have a Pro account. Ma'am, can you tell me? I use Xsense platform with 150. What leverage should I use? 1 to 500 is easy. 1 to 500. Yes, 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 yes. I started with $100 live account this week. I got it up to 527. Beautiful. In 1 week. Then overtraded and lost 500. Ouch. Took a short position during agent last night and held it on gold from 26 to 148. We got to start withdrawing, people. You got to start withdrawing these funds. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. I thought it has 1,000, but the most is 500. You have to ask for the 1,000 leverage, but you have to use my link to get it. You have to ask support for the 1,000 leverage with my link. If you don't have my link, they won't give it to you. NQ gold sells, made my profit. I missed it. Forgot to take trade because of that funded shit. Ouch. Ouch. Wowza. Is gold going to break this support? What? Nah, I don't know about that. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Blessing, Charlene, we done clapping. Yes, who's still holding? Who's still holding? I know some of y'all some of you guys be closing when you see me close. You don't have to do that. You can hold your trades for as long as you guys please. This thing should continue down, but I have no interest in holding my move. I'm good. I've been taking losses holding lately, so I'm good with closing with decent profit. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Holding period, only risk. I took half, have a runner. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna say gold is gonna keep falling off a cliff. I don't read Spanish too well. Just hit take profit, will re-enter after I see a pullback. Why? Why do you have to re-enter after a pullback? Just take your money and run. Holding gold, trailing my stop loss. It's about to break support. Is it? Ooh, let's see what gold's about to do. Ooh, let's see. let's see. Secured the bag this morning, all before 9 a.m. Guys, ooh. Charlene, what advice do you give a 17-year-old trader? Keep going, because by the time you're 21, 22, 23, my friend, you will not need to go to college. You will not need jack shit, because you'll be making a bag every day. Why didn't you move your stop loss into profit and continue holding? Because I'm a scalper and I don't care to hold. TraderVate is the way to go. Same day withdrawals. I know. TraderVate is the broker I will be using. Yes. Thanks, Charlene. Made 3,800 and in and out. US30. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody drop their profits. Everybody drop their profits so we can use the money gun. I forgot to use the money gun today. Everybody drop their profits in the chat so I can start using the money gun. I want to use my money gun. Let's go, guys. I haven't used this gun in a while. Look at it all dusty. You need to brush off the dust off this thing. Brush off the dust. Yes. Charlene, why do you close all your positions and not let one run? Chat, answer that question for me. I think I just answered it literally 30 seconds ago. But Somebody answer that question for me. Somebody answer for me. Please, please, please. Why did I close my position and not let it run? Let me see them profits. Let me see them profits. Let me see. Let me see. Yep. 600, 15, 38, 49, 300, 3K. Let's go. 111. Okay. Okay. 1,000. Okay. 527. These are all great profits, guys. These are all great profits, guys. These are all great profits, guys. Let me see. 150, 190. Let's go. 35, 411, 3K, 30K, 30K. Who had a 30K day today? Who had a 30K day? Let's go. 100. Let's go. 50. Let's go. Let's go. 1,600. Let's go. 2,000. Let's go. 1,300. Let's go. 58K? Yo, no. Who had a 58K today? Off what? Pilato. On what? On what pair? US30 or gold? 55. Oh my God. All right, chat. Y'all gonna break the chat. You guys are going to break the chat today. Y'all gonna break the chat because all of these big ass numbers, and y'all gonna start making people feel some type of way. Let's go. I made 7K on and 500. Ooh. Oh, it's on demo. Okay. All right, cool. 700, 250, 50K, 944, 38, 1,700, 50, 120. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Come on. This is how we're printing money every day, guys. This is how we print money. Like this. Like this. All right, I'm making a mess over here. Wow. On a Friday. On a beautiful, beautiful Friday. That's what I'm talking about.
Did you see
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's go. 50K on gold, 40K on US30. Oh my Lord, these numbers are making my head spin right now. Let's go. If you tap this on a funded account, guys, if you don't ask for a payout, I don't know. Cause every time, right? And this is, and I bet you guys, other prop companies absolutely hate it when this shit happens. You know why? Because everybody gets scared, everybody gets panicked, and what do? Everybody starts requesting a payout. Everybody. And then they start requesting an influx of money and that they have to pay out. That they probably were like, God darn it, these people probably weren't even gonna ask for a payout. And now they're asking for one because this freaking company over here, I'm telling y'all, open up the floodgates. Open up the floodgates. All right, so it's 9:04. I'm gonna wrap up this live around 9:30. I'm gonna see what US30 got going on. After that, this is fake money, guys. It's not real. I know somebody's gonna ask. Yeah. Where's this come from? Oh, yes. I'm withdrawing before they take down my funded account too. Yes, I would do the same. I would absolutely, positively do the same. I'm not playing with these people. No, we're not playing. We're not playing with them. Nope. Take your money, guys. Take your money and run. Take your money. Take your money. Guys, can we get the likes up, please? If that's all right. I mean, we won today. We had a good talk today. Today's, today was a good day. It's a good Friday, good NFP. Can we hit that like button real quick? If that's all right with you guys. If that's all right with you guys, can we do that, please? Please and thank you. That'd be great. How many of you are actually going to get a live account today is my question. That's what I want to know. Whether it's with my broker that I use, if it's the next broker, I don't really care. I need y'all to go live. How many of y'all are actually going to wake up and smell the coffee and say, you know what? I'm tired of getting ass raped every day. I'm going to use a live account. How many of you are actually going to do that? That's what I want to know. Monday morning, how many of you will be using a live account? I don't care if it has 50 bucks in it. How many of you are going to be using a live account? I need to know. And I made a mess on here. Sheesh. I'm kind of OCD, guys, about my house. I like to keep it clean all the time. I like to keep it organized. So, yeah. Just join. Is it too late to wait for an entry on gold? Listen, man. You missed that boat. You gotta wait on the next setup. Let's go. Goodness. You know, there's money everywhere. Money all around me. Come on. Run to the money. Run. Honestly, been watching your stream since July 2023. Made me use live. Never looked back at demo. Girl, listen. So I be putting y'all on to game. I don't be listening. I be putting y'all on to game, but y'all just don't be listening. But you did. You listened. You listened. Trying to tell y'all. Fuck the dumb shit. Go live. Go live. Go live. And next week, I'm picking a bunch of people to give cash money giveaway to. I'm picking 4 people, 5 people to give cash money away to. If you signed up with my broker and you have an account with at least $10 in it that you've been trading, you get free money giveaways. Who doesn't like free money? Can't pick you if you have a prop accounts. No. I can only pick you if you trade live. That's it. Live, 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 live. Money. Live. Guys, go live, please, for the love of Christ. Go live. I had 800 an account on KOT. And January 18th, by this Monday, had 9K in it, then fell over Tabber and blew it to 1K. You know what I preach to my students all the time, guys? Matter of fact, right now, I'm going to do a giveaway right now. What do I preach all the time on my live streams? There's a lot of things, but I'm looking for a specific answer. What do I preach all the time on my live streams? What do I preach for y'all to do that people don't do enough of when they're trading? What is that? Somebody tell me. What do I preach? My son. Name of your broker again. It's pinned to the chat, damn it. Stop asking these dumb questions. It's pinned to the chat. It says it right there. What do I always preach, guys? What do I always preach? Yes. Yes. Who answered first? Who answered first? Esmeralda Salinas. Esmeralda Salinas. Message me, email me with the email in the description box, or message me on Instagram, DM me. I prefer an email because my DMs are nuts. And I will send you a cash prize. Yes, yes, yes. Withdraw. Withdraw. If you started your account with, I don't know, $2,000. Let's use a nice round number. If you open an account and you put 2,000 in there and you got that account to, let's say, 4,000 or 5,000, why not pull that money out and do it all over again? If you were able to take an account from 2,000 and grow it 100% plus to 4,000 or 5,000, why not pull that money out? If you have a big day, if you trade your account and you average $200, $300, $400 a day, roughly, and let's say today you made $1,000, why not pull out that 1,000? Since you made more than you normally make, that's free money. That's extra free money. Why not pull that money out? You know why you guys don't withdraw enough? Because you're thinking, okay, if I keep trading, I'm gonna have big trades and big money and big moves, and then I can make a big withdrawal and I can feel like a millionaire for the day. And you're forgetting to realize that all of those small withdrawals that you're making, they all add up and they grow and they add up into a big withdrawal eventually. Because Because I don't care if you withdraw $1,000 today or you withdraw 500 one day and 500 the next day. It still adds up to $1,000 that you didn't have before. Guys. It feels so much better to see the money in your bank account than it is to have it in your broker accounts. It really does. First of all, if you withdraw money into your bank account, guess what? It's a lot safer there than it is in your trading account. Because all the money you have in your trading account, all of it is not even yours yet. It's not yours until you withdraw it. Because if it's in your trading account, guess what? It's at risk. You're going to want to trade it. Every time you take a trade, you put all of that money at risk. All of it. So why not pull some of it out? Y'all just don't know the good ass feeling it is to wake up in the morning, check your bank account, and see a nice fat ass deposit in there. Or small deposit, whatever. The point is, your account is bigger one day than it was the day before. I'm telling y'all, listen, as excited as y'all get for payday at your job, you know, every 2 weeks when you get paid, that Friday or that Thursday or Friday when you get paid, what does everybody do first thing in the morning when they wake up? They check their bank account to see if that direct deposit hit. They're making sure, listen, I've had this job for 5 years. They've paid me like clockwork every 2 weeks, but I still check to make sure I got paid. Why not have that same energy with trading? Keep that same energy with trading. You work one day, you won the trade, withdraw it and get paid. Withdraw it and get paid. Y'all just don't be withdrawing. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand why. Y'all just like seeing a fat ass account with numbers dangling in front of you and you have no idea what it feels like to pull that money out. You have no idea what it feels like to go to the bank, ask the teller to give you $5,000, $2,000, whatever it is, and just feel it. Just feel the money in your hands. Touch it, smell it. Let it sit in your pocket for a little bit. Set it on your nightstand at night. Wake up in the morning and look at it and admire it. And then go do something nice with it. Or put it back in the bank. Who cares what you do with it? You guys don't know what that, once you get that feeling, that rush of euphoric feeling, y'all gonna want to do it more often. The allure of a big payout or a big payday or a big day in the market is more than the payout or the feeling of an actual withdrawal. That blows my mind. It blows my mind, guys. Withdraw, guys. Get paid for what you're doing. If you're on the charts and you're trading and you make $200 on this day, pull it out. That's what I used to do in the beginning, guys. When I became consistent, where I was making $200 a day consistently, then I bumped it up to $300, then $400. Every day I requested a withdrawal. Whatever profit I made that day, I withdrew it that day. And then I just did it all again. I repeat, wash, rinse, repeat. That day, every day I was requesting withdrawals. 200, 200, 150, 180, 300, 400, boom, 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 boom. And by the end of the week, guys, I had roughly 900, 1,000, 1,500 extra in my account every week. To the point where I didn't even care about my paycheck from work anymore. I cared more about my withdrawals hitting my account from my broker. I was checking for that more than I was checking for my bank, my paycheck from my job. And when I took losses and I went through losing streaks, I didn't even too much care about them because I had already been pulling money out. So that was house money I was losing. It was house money after a while because I was making money. I was pulling money out. I was pulling money out rather than depositing. If you find yourself depositing more than you're actually pulling out, you're not profitable yet. You're not profitable yet. Guys, pull your money out, guys. The best way to do it is to trade live. Because if you have a prop account, nothing against prop accounts, but if you have a prop account, they make you wait. And then they make you wait. What do they want you to do? Not trade for 2 weeks while I'm waiting on my payout? You want to trade. We're traders. That's what we do. We get up every day and we trade. That's what we do. I wish you would tell LeBron James, hey, you can't play basketball for the next 6 months. He gonna be like, what? I'm a basketball player. That's what I do. That's what I get paid to do. What do you mean I can't play? We are traders. We like to trade. Facts. Currently, Charlene's still on demo, but I have been making a lot of progress. Started from January to just make 1K. Just made 1K on demo. Need to push for funded. Danny Dan, go live, my boy. Go live, because demo trading is not good. You have no emotions. There's no real feeling behind it. Everybody does well on demo. Everybody does great on demo. Everybody. You could not even try and do good on demo. Just take a trade and throw your phone away, and come back to the phone. And guarantee you're gonna see a whole bunch of blues. Guaranteed. Get the likes up, guys. We have 1,000 watching, 500 likes. We can top that. That'd be great. $300 a day for 20 trading days is $9K a month. Pretty reasonable. Thank you. Loyalty Family CEO, you feel my drift. You feel my drift. How many of you on this live, before you started trading, was making 9K a month? How many? There's only 20 trading days in a month. We can't trade on the weekends. Y'all be forgetting the value of money. I'm telling y'all. Even 1,000 a week is good money. Trading when it's so hard to make a buck. But if you don't withdraw, guys, you're not winning anything. You didn't win shit until you withdraw. You really didn't. If you won today, nobody won shit today until that money hits our account, either later today or on Monday next week. Nobody. In the dope game. Well, we're talking about, legal jobs. Legal jobs. Legal. Oh my God. Amazing, guys. 2 seats left. 2 seats left for my in-person class in March. If you're interested, please use the link in the description box. Once those 2 seats are gone, that's it. So what's happening here? Everything is just chilling. What happened? There's no more volume. All the volume came from NFP, and then that was it. I just love NFP now, guys. I love NFP now because it's not as crazy as it used to be. It used to be wild. NFP used to be wilding out, and it's not anymore. I love it. I love it. But I am done trading. I'm done trading. I took a few losses last week, a few losses this week. It's been rough. This week went by really fast. I ain't gonna lie. This week went by real fast. So I'm kind of glad it's over, though. I'm real glad it's over. Yeah, it's done. What account do I choose for Ventura? 0, Pro, or Prime? I have the Pro account. But please read through the different kinds of accounts. It's on the website and it'll tell you the differences. But I have a Pro account. That's what I use. Thanks for the reply. I missed the entry this morning because I didn't hear that she was entering and I was looking at another screen. My loss again. Act Trader just screwed me. I had a sell stop at the bottom. News broke my direction. I made 200, but error code changed my entry and stop loss made me lose $50. When there's news, there's a whole bunch of garbage going on. So I would be careful with news. But either way, I would message them and ask help with that because that doesn't sound right. And Act Trader, I mean, MT4 is available. So I pulled all my money out of there. All my money out of Act Trader. I was like, no, thank you. I only had a few thousand in there anyway, but why use that when they're available on MT4 now? Like, no, thank you. Charlene, let's do the withdrawing challenge this weekend. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's run it. How many of y'all requested withdrawals? How many of y'all done requested a withdrawal already? How many? Prop firms should only be used to build some capital and move that capital to a live broker account. Exactly. A prop company, I agree. A prop company should not be your long-term goal. It should be temporary, a means to an end. You get some live funds, move it on over to a live account and run that baby up. Run that thing up. That's true, Charlene. Just now, I got scared of US30 sell, chickened out on demo. I would have held, but I'm struggling to see the profits reduced on the pullback. Yeah, live trading is different. It's a different beast. It is a different beast, guys. It's a different beast. One second, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's do this here. Boom, 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 boom. I'm hungry. Are you going to have an in-person in the summer? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure because I'll be traveling this summer. So I'm not sure. I will be traveling. Ooh. Got a spammer in the chat here. Charlene, what is the biggest account you lost? What do you mean? What's my biggest loss? Or, I mean, it's been a while since I lost an account. Have you given TradeLocker a shot? Nope, because my broker is not on TradeLocker. They are on MetaTrader, MetaQuotes. So, nope. Not everybody is as fortunate to go live. Well, if you have money for a prop account, then you have money to go live. Let's put that to sleep right now. Let's cut that conversation. Let's nip that in the butt right there. If you have money to buy a prop account, you have money to go live. So let's stop talking about that, period. I don't want to hear about it. I don't. We're not doing that on Charlene's Live. Nope, we're not using that excuse at all. At all. At all. How long did you trade before you became profitable? Are you using a pro or zero? I'm using a pro account. How many prop firms do you have now? What question is that? Who is your broker? Wow. These people don't pay no attention. I haven't been serious on your trades, but today made good pips sweat free. I need to join 170K today, trading US30 in gold. Which broker do you use? Are y'all serious right now in the chat? What's the maximum amount of money you should have in a live account? That's not a valid question. What's the maximum amount of money you should have? You can have whatever you want in a live account. There's nothing you should have. It depends on the pair you trade, your style of trading, the lot sizes you're using, all that stuff. But nobody can tell you how much you should or shouldn't have in your live account. That's up to you. I always say don't put anything in your account that you're not afraid to lose. If you're afraid to lose it, don't put it in your account. Whatever money's in your broker account, that should be money you're not afraid to lose. Because it's already gone. It's already in your account. It's already gone. It's not in your bank account. So, it's gone. So. How many prop firm accounts people blow instead of trading live, dog? Come on. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And they just turn around and buy a whole new one right after. They turn around and just buy a new one and say, we don't have money to go live. But you have money to buy prop accounts. Get out of here. The cheapest prop account is what, 150 bucks? $100 if they have a sale? Come on, guys. Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. If you have money for a prop, you have enough for live. What's Gold doing? Gold, she's trying to break here. Gold's trying her best to go down. I don't know. Let me see the higher time frames here. The 4 hour. Yeah, if we can get a closure below here, we should continue down. We should continue down, or unless it's making a bottom width to turn around and go bullish. Because it could do that. It could do that. This one came down hard, retested this demand, and then pushed, kept on pumping here. So it's there. Run to the money, run. Oh, yes, 30 pulling back on us here, pulling back. No disrespect from some of the questions. Many should learn the craft before getting a live account. Exactly. Absolutely, I agree. US30 stopped me at break even. Okay, well, it wasn't a loss. So, I mean, anything's better than a loss. So. What if gold breaks? If gold breaks, it'll go to 2009 or 2018. Is that a question? I don't know. I have no idea yet, but if it does, if you're in a sell, guys, you're looking for price to go to the next support or the next demand zone. So if you were to take a sell here, where would you put your TP? Your next area of support. You have one here, you have one there. So you have to look at one of those two and weigh your stop loss. So that's how you know where you think price is going to go to when it breaks a certain area. For sells, next support. For buys, next resistance. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Ma'am, I have no idea on what the margin means on MetaTrader. Can you explain? You can Google that. It'll explain it to you better than I can. But it just means, basically it has a lot to do with leverage, has a lot to do with how far your trade can go before it takes you out, or how much more you can add to the position. But Google can probably explain it to you better than I can. How quick does Ventura take to withdraw? They process withdrawals, I was told, every 6 hours and sometimes every 12. So roughly 6 to 12 hours. If it's past their time, or it's on the weekend and it's late and they're backed up on requests, you'll probably get it the next day or the day after. So the cheapest I've seen is $87 on Blue Guardian. Yep. The cheapest prop, to my knowledge, is Funding Pips Prop Firm, $32 for a 5K prop. Can't comfortably take a trade with gold with $32. I don't see how in the world a prop company is making any real money charging $32. That, I mean, I can't buy 2 large pizzas for less than that. So that's wild to me. All of these mom and pop prop companies popping up, where y'all be finding these companies from? Because if I was to go with a prop company, I'd want to go with one that's established, one that has a track history with withdrawals, one that people actually know about and stuff. Like, y'all just be naming all of these random prop companies, like, and y'all paying them, oh my God, $32 for 5K? Here's my money. Like, that's not a red flag to y'all? $32? Can you walk into a bank and say, hey, if I give you $32, will you give me $5,000 back? Come on, guys. You get what you pay for. Okay, guys? Remember that. When you guys want to be cheap with things, just remember, you get what you pay for in this life. You pay nothing for something, don't expect much out of it. You pay a lot for something, you should expect a lot out of it. You get what you pay for. What broker are you going with when you use Ventura? TraderVate. Do you have to worry about copy trading on live if someone traded for family, for example? What do you mean, do I have to worry about that? What does that mean? Do I have to worry about it? I don't understand that question. I don't understand that question. FTMO, Nova, both have paid out, but Nova, so many strict rules, easy to slip up. That's the point. The point is to make it hard for you to pass, to make it hard for you to get paid out, because they don't want to pay you out. They don't want to pay you out. They're designed to make you fail so you don't get paid out. So, thank you, Charlene, for the broker. They already approved me for the 1 leverage on the pro account once I fund it. Good stuff, good stuff. You can grow that 500 to more money doing that. US30, please. It's cheap because it's impossible to trade with such a tight daily loss. Exactly. You're gonna use a 0.01? I don't know. Yes, not much room for trade, like 5K prop is pointless to me. I'm telling you. I didn't say you guys can't make money on your trading accounts. I'm saying that it's hard for you. They make it hard for you to make something and get a payout. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I might try out Rocket 21 prop firm. Looks pretty legit. My Forex funds look legit too. And so did True Forex funds. And look what happened to them. You can't copy trade on funded accounts. I was wondering if it's the same live. No. Funded accounts has rules. Live accounts don't. You can do whatever you want with live. A funded account is a 9 to 5. Trading live, you're an entrepreneur. Look at it that way. Minimum deposit for Ventura. Go to the website and go look that up. Go to the website, click the link and go look it up. Ventura. Let's see here. You guys would rather ask questions than going and looking for the information for yourself. Coño. Coño. Right here. Ventura.com. Account types. Our pricing. 0, Pro, and Prime. Minimum deposit, 10. Minimum deposit, 10. Minimum deposit, 100. It's so easy to just go to Google, type in the name, and go look for the information yourself instead of asking that question in the chat. All the information they have is right here on their website. Everything is here. About, market, pricing, trading, partners, tools. Everything is right here. If you guys take the time to go look for the information for yourself. What if I tell you minimum deposit is 10,000? Oh my God, 10,000? You won't even go look and verify it for yourself. You're just gonna take whatever some random person says and run with it. Instead of just going to get the information. You guys know that's my pet peeve with you guys, right? Y'all know that. That's my pet peeve. If you have a question about me or about trading on the charts, can you explain this, Charlene, that? Those are questions that I like because it shows me you're trying to learn, and I have no issue with explaining things to you guys on the charts or even about the back end of trading. But when you ask me basic stuff that you can just go look up yourself online, that tells me you just want to be lazy, you just want somebody to just hand you stuff, and that tells me you're not that serious about your trading. You're not that serious about your trading, because if you are, you take the time to do your due diligence on something, especially something that requires you to give your hard-earned money and your time towards it. Your money and your time, the two most valuable commodities out there. Money and time. So take the time out, guys, to go look for the information. Don't just take what I say. Who am I? I'm a nobody. Go look for the information for yourself to make sure you're getting the right information. When I was asking about futures, I asked questions on the live, but guess what I did? I went and I researched it for myself. Futures doesn't have spreads? Oh, I'm not just gonna run off and say, hey guys, futures doesn't have spreads. No, I'm going to verify the information for myself before I go spreading something that I know nothing about. Educate yourselves, guys. Be self-sufficient. These live streams are about you guys becoming self-sufficient traders one day. So you guys could say, I became a self-sufficient trader because of Charlene. I watched Charlene every morning, Monday through Friday, trade. This is why she took a trade. This is how she breaks down her charts. Guess what? I could do the same thing now. Hey, you know, I had a question about this. Charlene said this, but you know what? Let me go look at it. Let me go verify it. Let me start making sure I'm getting the right information for what I am looking for. Because sometimes someone can give you information based on their way of thinking, based on what they know and what they prefer. That information could change based on what you want and what you prefer. You could look at it completely different. I'm looking at the charts, I'm seeing a sell. Some people were looking for buys. We all see things differently based on what we have in our heads. Hey Charlene, what kind of account do you have? Well, I have a pro account. Okay, I'm just gonna go get a pro account. Go look at the different accounts and see what the differences are. Why not try doing that before you just, Charlene needs it, I'm gonna use that. No, guys. I use Ventura. That's the broker I'm choosing to use. I'm saying, hey guys, come on over and use the same broker I use. But look at other brokers too. Don't just run with that one broker and run off and I'm gonna ride off into the sunset. No, go look at other brokers, try them out, and see which one suits you best. Self-sufficient. Self-sufficient. That requires you to do a little work, guys. Go the extra mile, just a little bit. We live in a world where people just take things that they hear or see online and just run off with it. There's no verifying, there's no proof, there's no backing, there's no nothing. People can just say whatever they want and everybody just believes it. Come on, guys, come on. Let's do better. It's 2024. Let's do better in 2024. Let's be smarter. Let's not just follow the wave. Let's ask questions. Let's think about things. Let's read between the lines. Don't be so quick to pull the trigger on something. Do a little more digging before you do something. I had lunch with this guy the other day, and he said to me, he said, Charlene, I have a PI that I use all the time for things. And when I meet with someone, or when I'm thinking about doing a business partnership or an agreement with someone or anything like that, I have my PI go look into that person. I have them run their background, look into everything. And this guy, he is thorough. He is a thorough guy. He has sent some text messages with all types of information, all types of stuff. This guy is not playing around. He does his due diligence on someone before he gets into business with them. I don't care what I heard about you online, or who says this, or what this person says, or what you post, or whatever. No, I go do my own research on you to make my own decision on whether or not I want to even sit here and have lunch with you or talk about a business partnership with you. And if I'm meeting with you and I'm sitting down with you and we're talking about a business deal together, that means what I found out about you is I like what I heard and I trust it, and now I feel okay with moving forward. I don't just take what people say, whatever, and just, oh, that person is this, that person is that, okay. No, I do my own homework. I learned something that day. I was like, wow, I need that guy's number. Do your homework on people, guys. Do your homework on things. True Forex Funds is shut down currently. Don't just get mad and say, well, this sucks. What's really going on here? Before you go and pay another company for a prop account, because they're all going to be coming out with sales now. Oh, shit. True Forex Funds is gone. Guys, let's go take their market share. Let's go take some of those customers away. They're going to need another company to use. Let's start throwing out sales. Valentine's Day sale. Spring break sale, whatever holiday is coming up, sale, to get everybody over to their prop company, because they know True Forex Funds had a big amount of people over there. Guess what? All of those people are going to go migrate to the next company. So don't be one of the people that just migrates onto the next and the next and the next, and you're just getting bounced around, bounce, lose money. Learn your lessons, guys. What is really going on here? Ask questions. Don't be so quick to act, especially on emotion, because you just lost your account. You may have had a payout pending. You may have just passed and you're waiting for your live account. All that, it's rough. It's a lot to handle. It's a lot to deal with, a lot to process. But the only way you're going to make it and last in this industry is if you guys execute patience. Not just patience on the charts, patience in everything. You make more money waiting than you ever will rushing into anything, guys. I promise you. I hope I'm speaking to some of you today. I really do. If you don't get nothing else out of this live, I hope it makes you think a little bit more going forward. So it's 9:45. I said I was going to end the live a little bit after 9:30. We had a nice win today. We had a great session. I am done trading for the day and for the week. I'm looking forward to a better week next week. I will be choosing either 4 or 5 winners to win the $2,000 for next week. So those of you that are signed up will get a chance to do that. My in-person class, I have some applications I need to go through now, but once those last 2 seats are filled, I will be taking down that link. And that's about it. I have a day in the life video dropping for you guys soon. Either it's going to be dropping tomorrow or next week, sometime early next week. But other than that, that's it, guys. Withdraw. If you caught some wins today, that's excellent. If you're still trading going forward, you're looking for another setup, that's fine as well. Again, those of you that were affected by this True Forex Funds saga, really sorry about that. I really hope you guys keep your heads up and keep it pushing and keep your spirits up, keep your heads up, and just know that, there's other platforms out there for you guys to use. Okay, so where there's a will, there will always be a way. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take off. I got some stuff I gotta take care of. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys next week. All right, as always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX. Love y'all to the moon and back, and I will see you guys next week. Peace and love. I'm out.